Okay, let's look at two quick word problems dealing with multiplying decimals. It says Margie walked 3.75 kilometers on Tuesday morning. On Wednesday morning, she walked 1.2 or 1.2 tenths times as far as she did on Tuesday. How far did she walk on Wednesday? So we already see my key word is times. So that lets us know that we're going to multiply those two numbers. Remember, we set it up the same way we set up a regular multiplication problem. Do not try to line up the decimals. And I multiply like normal. 5 times 2, that's 10. Carry my 1. 7 times 2, that's 14. Plus 1, that's 15. 2 times 3, that gives me 6. Plus 1, 7. Put my placeholder and go to my next row. 1 times 5, that's 5. 1 times 7, that's 7. 1 times 3, that's 3. Get my total. Okay, so now I have to see how many times I'm going to move my decimal. 1, 2. 1. So that's a total of 3 times I'm going to move my decimal. 1, 2, and 3. J would be my answer. Let's look at another one. Okay, let's look at our second one. It says Mrs. Wong bought 3.8 pounds of coffee. The coffee sells for $5.95 a pound. How much would she pay for the coffee? So again, we know that 1 pound of coffee, a pound, so that's 1, cost her $5.95. We know she wants to buy 3.8 or 3.8 tenths of pounds of coffee. So all we're going to do again is just multiply those two. Do not line up your decimal. And we're going to multiply like we normally would. 5 times 8, that gives me 40. 9 times 8, that gives me 72. 72 plus 4 gives me 76. 8 times 5, that gives me 40. Plus 7, 47. Put my placeholder. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. 3 times 5, that's 15. Carry my 1. 9 times 3, that's 27. 28. Carry my 2. 15 plus 2, 17. And now I'm going to move my decimals. 1, 2, 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. C is my answer.